Alright, this is how that Webasto heating system on these Ponzes work. As you can hear, that blower's going right now. Boy, she's nice and warm too. You can set the cycles up on these for anywhere from 30 minutes to, what do they go, 120 minutes. It's 28 degrees here in central Michigan this morning, and it's got a little pump that circulates it and warms it up so it's ready to go. Also, it's got a fuel heater. You can hear that heater inside that fuel tank working, getting that fuel warmed up. Also, it has a heater to warm up my hydraulic fluid, so that's definitely a big plus. It really helps out. Like I said, it's 28 degrees, and you can climb right in that cab right now, and she's just as warm as ever. So she'll be ready to go. She lights it up pretty good. Yeah, but that Webasto system is very nice. It really helps out. I'm quite fond of it. Alright, show you how to do a quick little chain change on this H7 head. Yeah, we got some sleet going on right now. We're calling for rain and turn into snow. Well, we already got the sleet coming. Alright, I'll show you how we change the chain on this Ponsse Ergo. This is the 2013 model. It is the Ergo 8W, has 8 wheels. It has the H7 Harvester head on it. But anyways, you just grab hold of that chain, and it's got a self-adjuster on it. See how that bar slides back in there? Reach in, pull it off the sprocket, hang her up for another day. Check that bar out, make sure she's not all wore out. Clean some of that crap out of there in that adjuster. Grab your chain, reach back in there, swing it over the sprocket. See that right there, how she lays over that sprocket? Get some of that out of there. Put her over that sprocket there, lay her in the bar. The nice thing about this is you just give her a little tug. She lines right up. Make sure she's nice and free. And then when I start this back up, it will set the right tension to it. And start oiling that new chain up. We can typically run, not the same chain, but with chain rotation, we can typically use the same chain. I would say probably 60 to 80 cord on rotation. That means pull this one off, sharpen it up, check your acres out, put it on again, throw a different chain on there. And like I said, we can typically get 60 to 80 cord on a chain. Unless you break them or get them all kinked up, then if they ride hard through that bar, you don't want, you can sometimes take the links out. Throw that chain in there, try to sharpen it up, and that's how that goes.